Did you know with just one tap you can access DM of your Instagram straight away? Or you can go directly onto video mode of your camera. All this is possible using app shortcuts. Now, what you need to do is to choose an app and press and hold on it. And there you will see many app shortcuts that you can use. Choose one, tap and hold and drag and drop it to your home screen. Now you can use a particular feature of that particular application as a shortcut. So like not using app shortcuts, there are many mistakes that you do while using your smartphone. And in this video, we're going to talk about some of the mistakes that you make while you use your smartphone. And hey guys, I'm Arnav here and you are watching Tech Arena. Let's go. The second mistake that people do while they use their smartphone is to close recent apps. Now, I know people think that by closing recent apps, they can free their RAM or they can save their battery, but it's wrong. Recent apps is a feature that lets you not to reload any application from the scratch so that it doesn't consume any battery. So by not closing recent apps, you can save a ton of battery because the apps which you use constantly, you can keep in your recent apps list so that you can access them every now and then. But if you kill those applications and start every time from the scratch, I'm sure for starting that app, that requires a small amount of battery, which is not significantly noticeable. But hey, keeping your recent apps there by not closing it, which you use constantly, will help you to save a small bit of your battery. So don't kill your recent apps. Mistake number 3 is to change your keyboard application. Now, yes, Samsung keyboard is also good and the keyboards which come in many smartphones are good. But hear me out, using Gboard is the best thing to do because Gboard has a really good typing experience, and apart from that, it has many good features, AI features, smart features especially. So I kindly urge you to guys to use Gboard. Just go to Google and download Gboard and go to your keyboard settings and replace the default keyboard from what it was to Gboard, because Gboard has a lot of features, as I already told you, smart features especially. So mistake number 4 is not using voice typing if you're using Gboard already. Now, yes, as I told you before, you have to use Gboard because it's one of the best keyboards out there in terms of typing experience and smart feature. And one of my favorite features that people don't use regularly while they use Gboard is voice typing, because yes, voice typing is there on many other keyboard applications, but it is not so accurate as Google Gboard has. Voice typing in Gboard is really great and the accuracy rate is more than 95%. So it is very reliable, very fast and very useful because it can help you type long paragraphs without using your fingers for that. Use voice typing on Gboard. And this is one of the biggest mistakes that people use while they have Gboard already installed. Now the last and final mistake, and I've told this thing already in many videos, and I think this is the third video which I'm telling, do not use any cheap third-party accessories for your smartphones, especially cables and chargers. So let me explain you why you shouldn't use the cheap cables and cheap chargers. So it's very simple. The parts or the components that they use in these cables and chargers are of very low quality, and the flow of electricity is not properly regulated in these chargers as well as in these cables. So it can overcharge your device which you already have, it can deteriorate your battery, it can also damage your battery in many ways. So using a good quality third-party charger is okay, like from brands like Spigen or brands like Anchor. These are some of the third-party brands which are offering a very high quality third-party accessory. But I always urge you guys to use the first-party accessory because that is made keeping your smartphone in the mind. So yeah, this is the last and final mistake that I see people do again and again despite me telling in multiple videos. So alright, that's it. These are some of the mistakes that people make while using their smartphone. And yes, it is a very small video, and do comment down your opinion in the comment section below. What are the other mistakes that people do while they use their smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you end up liking watching this content, share this video with all your friends because mistakes are done by everyone, so they have to learn. And also like this video if you really liked it, and subscribe to my channel because 90% of the people who watch my video doesn't subscribe. It's unfortunate. So just click the red color subscribe button and also press the bell icon and click on all to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.